Hey there, so it's Kaz here today, and I'm going to run through another SEO case study for a very, very interesting project because this is a virtual reality client with cutting edge technology. So they came to us for SEO assistance, in the sense of we needed to identify why the site wasn't performing as well as it should. So it was built very, very aesthetically pleasingly in a design perspective, and the UX was really, really good. But it was quite simply just missing mass volumes of content across the site as a whole that would allow search engines to properly find the pages as they were supposed to be found based on various specific needs of the end user. Now, what we managed to achieve for these guys has been nothing short of very effective. They've only been running for a few months as of now, and they've already had some really great results. So to give you some context, they're currently ranking for 113 keywords. And out of those 113, almost 100 are in the top 3 pages, which is a good indicator as to how well the project is growing. Outside of that, they have 76 keywords in the top first page search results. So it's really good on that front across the board as well. And to really kind of add the icing on the cake, they have 30 keywords in the top 3 search results. So page 1 as well as the top 3, meaning that's a really, really effective campaign overall. So all in all, these guys have really, really crushed it across the board. We managed to achieve just in the first period 71% growth in organic traffic, as well as 22,000 extra visits a month. So it's really growing quite quickly, and their rankings are continued to push quite well. Now, because their services is a very high ticket, i.e. very expensive, we did recommend doing some other things on top, like email marketing to improve their cart abandons, etc. And it's continued to grow their revenue lines across the board, which is what we often quite see when we do really well in SEO. We like to find ways to kind of further boost the revenue and ultimately the bottom line of the business. So if you'd like to make this your project, i.e. another success, do reach out to us below and we'll take it from there. Cheers.